gorgeous. Welcome back to my channel. It is so good to see you today and looking so marvelous as well. So what we are going to do today is paint these tips in this gorgeous color from Kiara Sky. It is called Something Sweet. I did buy it a couple years ago. I don't know if it's still part of their collection or not. I don't know how often they retire colors, but even if this one isn't there, I'm sure they've got one that's so similar you can just snatch that right up. But it is, like I said, called Something Sweet, so you can look for it. Once we get this all completely coated twice with this pretty color, what we're going to do is come in with some Modelones black. Now this Modelones is, the bottle I'm using, it says Lifu on it. I don't know if there's a difference between that collection or their normal collections. I don't notice a difference because I do have the other one as well. I don't know what the significance of the Lifu name is. I know I have seen collections that say Lifu Modelones and Modelones Lifu, so I don't know what they're doing over there, but I'm using a Modelones black. I really like it. It's very black. It's very opaque. It's not perfectly like a one coat black, but it's really good for this line work because it stays where you put it. It's thick enough that it doesn't do a lot of spreading, and you can take your time and get the lines or whatever you're drawing exactly where you want it to go. And I'm just using a little liner brush here. I got it somewhere, AliExpress maybe, or Amazon. I've had it a couple years, so honestly, I just do not remember. It's not special. The bristles are not fabulous. I am ready to, honestly, once I get moved, yay, I'm moving. Once I get moved, I'm going to go to an art supply store and see what I can find. So anyway, we're just going to continue doing all this line work. It's really just super linear. Of course it's super linear. It's line work. Wow, I'm so funny. But we're not doing any curvy lines today, pretty basically. We're keeping it to rectangle shapes, squared off shapes, and just really simple lines. And once we get done with all of that, we're going to add a little something on top. So I only show you a couple of these because, frankly, when you're doing line work, sometimes it's easy to get a little too close to your face. So a couple of the nails were a tiny bit out of frame when I did them, but you will see what they all came out like here in just a moment. Honestly, it gets a little repetitive watching line work over and over. So maybe that was for the best. I don't know. You let me know if it was for the best or not, or if you would just prefer to see all the line work, because I want to do what you want me to do. So, well, I also want to do what I want to do. I want to have all the footage be correct. How about that? That's what I want to do. Oh my goodness, guys. So last night, I stayed up so late. Honestly, my whole sleep schedule is a mess right now. I don't even know what to say. But I was up late last night looking at the Google Maps of the neighborhood I'm going to be moving to next month. And I cannot wait to get there. It totally looks like it is going to be so awesome. There, about 3 blocks from my house, is this coffee shop that looks so cool, and I cannot wait to go over there and try it. I hope the coffee is as good as the place looks cool, because I could see me and my dog hanging out there and just having a good time and taking my grandkids for a walk over there and getting them a little hot chocolate or something. It's Las Vegas, so none of that will happen during the summertime. Trust me. But, you know, fall, winter, and spring, we can do that. We can do that. And there's a park that's walking distance to my house, to my apartment, and it's a super cool looking park. So I'm really excited to take my dog there. I'm excited because, of course, I'm going to be near my grandkids and my kids, and I just want to suck up all the family time I can get my hands on right now. I'm really excited to be moving back with where my family is, so that I can just feel more connected to them. So I'm so excited about this move. We are finishing up with the line work here very soon. I love how this black looks against that Kiara Sky, Something Sweet. They're just a perfect match for each other, aren't they? Oh my goodness. I absolutely love them. Now we're going to add something to the top, and it's going to be these little floral, you can't really call them stickers, but I'm going to call them stickers because it's easy. They're just these cute little raised up flowers, and they come on this little sheet, and you soak it in water and peel them off. And I did want to shout out Kathy McDowell. She has a YouTube channel here. She's a fellow nail sister, and she sent these to me. So girl, shout out to you. Thank you so much for these cute little flowers. They look perfect on this black and tan, don't you think? Oh my goodness. Now they are a little stiff, so you have to press them down into the base coat, and you have to use a base coat because they're not stickers. And I use this biggest one for the thumb. Now you may actually, if you're going to try to wear these, you may want to try to do the plastic wrap technique where you hold it down really hard against the nail and then cure it so that the stickers lay super flat. But I didn't bother with that this time because honestly, no one's going to wear these. I just thought they looked really pretty, and I kind of like the look of them standing up away from the nail a little bit as it gives it more of a 3D quality. I think it came out really cute. You'll have to let me know in the comment section if you agree with that statement or not. But again, shout out to Kathy. Go over there, subscribe to her channel. She's really sweet. She does lots of nails, but also inspirational stuff. So if that is your bag, she is your girl. And she has really cute nail stickers, okay? If you like cute nail stickers, she may be your girl. Okay, so anyway, oh my goodness. So we're just going to finish up the base coat or top coat on here. Now you want to scrub that top coat away from the middle of the flowers, or it'll create a little pool in there. And if your top coat's not super clear, it will show up kind of a yellowy color. But this is the finished set, you guys. I hope you really like it as much as I do. Thank you so much for coming by and watching this video today. While you're here, be sure to leave me a comment, click that like button, and subscribe. And if you really like it, you can ring my bell. See you next time. Bye-bye.